guys, welcome back to my channel. And here we're gonna do a quick unboxing of an item from the 1852 collection. So it came with, of course, the ribbon. I've opened this already, so as you can see, I've removed the ribbon and the card already, and of course the receipt. And here it is. Let's open it up. And inside is this beautiful Bandeau, and it comes with a metal scarf holder there, and it says here, let's see if it'll focus. Where's that? It says here, made in Italy. Let me see. It's kind of difficult to work with one hand. So there you see, made in Italy. And on the other side is the date code. Let me just arrange it. MP2909. This is the first time. 2909. Also, year 2020. Oh, I forgot how to read the date code. Anyway, that's it. And there, you guys. It's just a quick unboxing of this Bandeau. In the website, it says that you can use it as a headband, as a belt, and what else? As a scarf, and what's that? A choker or something like that. So there, I'm gonna make another video and show you how to wear this. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye.